Guess what we found?
Lucas.
We found Lucas.
Big one or small one?
Wow.
The big.
Bigger.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, baby. At Walmart. Have you ever been to this one? No, this is a new one. A big ball.
Yeah, football.
Halloween. Do you think you're gonna find something you like?
Walmart shoppers who have an iPhone SE, third generation for $8 off the door today, no contract. Again, that's an iPhone SE, third generation for $8 off the door today, no contract. Please see your wireless associate electronics for more information. And as always, thank you for shopping with Walmart.
You're excited? You're probably gonna leave with an iPhone today.
This is special.
Let's go back over here. The Christmas stuff. Here. Mira, look at the big Christmas. You think you're gonna find the truck you want? You think so? Look. Let's see. Are you excited? Where can it be? Wow! Look at all of those toys. You like them? Excuse me.
This one.
You like that one? Bluey. Okay, look. I see Hot Wheels.
This one.
Stripes. Hey. You think you're gonna find something you like? Let's see. Look what they have, the green. I like this one.
You like that one? It's neon green. Look at that.
You don't have
You don't
that
have
one.
Nice.
Look it. No, you don't like it anymore? You got over it? Put it right here for now, okay? For Mom. Do you want a mini? Do you want a mini?
Not this.
Not this one?
No, what this?
You have Nightmare already. You want a mini?
These are new right here.
I know, I saw that. All for us. We haven't came to this Walmart before.
Mom, Mom.
You want the mini? Mm-hmm. Can you see what's behind those? Are they all the same? No, the doubles.
Doubles?
Oh. Yes, you don't want this one after all? Which one is this one? You want Hot Wheels?
Is that the Jeep?
Let me see.
Oh, what is it? Bronco? No.
Daddy.
You want Venom?
Think about that.
This one is, I think the dragon.
Superheroes need kill.
Feels like
The mud ones? I'm not gonna
That's
hurt.
all.
Hey, what's up?
Now I need the wall.
What robot?
I'm saying,
Gael, guess what we found?
Lucas?
Lucas.
Big one or small one?
Wow.
The big. Yeah. Okay, watch it. It's, Lucas.
Daddy has a good eye, huh?
That's right there. That one. Yes. Lucas! We found it!
You were looking for this one. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Cool.
Let's
put it
go.
here. Now we got two good trucks. Lucas and Green Grave Digger.
Gael, give me 5. Hey, Daddy. Yeah, buddy. That's a good find, Papa. Great choice. Are you excited? Lucas. I'm excited for you. You got 2 cool trucks.
Lucas, yeah.
You gonna open your trucks?
Yes.
Okay. Let's open your trucks. Let's move this out of the way so you can open one at a time. Go.
This.
Who's that? Bone Shaker.
Bone shaker. That's a new one.
It's on his back. Let me see what color is it.
Let me see it. Let's put it right here so we can see it. It's pretty cool, man. Good choice. You ready to open Grave Digger?
You want to see Grave Digger? Oh, that was big.
Let's see it.
What color is it? It's green. Oh, it's so big.
Let's open it.
This.
Oh, yeah. Pull the truck. Oh. Oh, they're so strong. Pull it towards you, like this.
You got it.
Got it? Hard.
Do you need help?
Mine.
Your head's stuck?
Uh-oh.
You almost got it. You need a little help? Okay. There you go. Pull it.
Up.
Up. Pull it up. There you go.
Up. Up.
What is that?
Yeah. There you go. You got it? Amazing!
Yay! Great digger.
This is pretty cool, guys.
It's green. It's neon green.
You almost have that collection. We're just missing Toro Loco.
Oh, you want to see Lucas now? Alright, Lucas. Lucas.
Take it out.
There you go. Yep, almost. There you go. Wow, you did that. That one was easy.
Good job.
Now pull up. Put it right here. And then 2. Here.
Okay.
Bone shaker.
You have cool trucks, man.
Cool. Sit in the
And
chair.
bone shaker.
Which one you like more? That one, Lucas? Lucas? You like this one?
Can I see what tricks it does? Does it do any tricks?
Oh.
Alright, it's time to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, friends.